I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby you are everywhere. I wish that you were here. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it go. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, and you know it's true. I know that feeling. We say goodbye until it hurts. I know that feeling. Stormy skies and fire.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, my name is Lulu Matlala, and please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment, and please share this video with your loved ones. Gobe monate, gobe lovely. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for coming back. Thank you so much for your love. I really appreciate you guys a lot, and I love you guys. I hope you guys are ready to go back to work, and I hope you guys have rested enough, because some of us didn't rest, guys. I didn't rest. And gonna give you like I am really tired and I cannot take leave now. I think next month as well. Go hectic, but I hope you guys are great and you have rested enough. So the first video that you saw, I was in Pretoria and I had a great time there, and I came back on Thursday because I had work on Friday. So yeah guys, I had to go to work on Friday, and even look on like I have renovated my work space. My space was very small. Only a massage bed could fit in. Like I had only a massage bed and obviously a shelf or a trolley for lashes, and my nail table was outside. It was small, it was just too small. So I will look for a video of how it used to look like, the difference, because it was too small, and now it's bigger, it's brighter, it's better. I love it now. It's not yet complete, like I still need to put some decor on the wall, nice, but I'll take it one step at a time. But I really love how it looks now. What pushed me to get this space renovated is because I spend a lot of my time at work, and I can go feel like and get depressed, man. So I really pushed for that place be decent and be comfortable, and I will show you guys in this video how the space looks now. And guys, please tell me what you guys prefer. Do you prefer long vlogs, like your 30 minutes vlogs, or 15 minutes, 18 minutes? You know why? There's a lady who commented on my previous vlog. She said my vlogs are always short. So the reason why the vlogs like sometimes they were short and stuff is because I feel like you guys don't watch long vlogs. Correct me if I'm wrong. Please let me know in the comment section what you prefer, that long vlogs or short vlogs. Then I will work on that. And yeah, man, I just wanted to come here and open up this vlog. So now, what do I need to do? Oh, I'm doing laundry. So let me go and finish up, and maybe I'll come and check up on you guys later. Bye. Guys, I'm at the mall. Just want to go and buy a few things. Just came back from work. So, yeah.
And the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second.
My lashes need to be saved, guys. It's January. But yeah, we are done at Woolies, and we are going to look for a dress, a traditional dress. Yeah, I'm just here to let you guys know that, and I'm not sure which one, but yeah, we'll see when we get there.
Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me
done. We are done, and we're going home now. Guys, I don't know if it's pretty already a traditional dress, but I don't know. I can sort of wear this one. Yeah. We're on our way home, and yeah, guys, see you soon.
Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for you.
Hey guys, so it's Monday today, and I wanted to show you how my space looks now. I'm not done. I'm still trying to get a few stuff, but let me just show you how it looks now. So my theme is black and white. The reason I wanted black, I feel like your pink colors and it's outdated. For me, black is classy. I don't know, but I feel like it's classy. I've seen a lot of Pinterest pictures and I fell in love with them. Let me show you how it looks now. And I'm still trying to get a few things together, guys. But I will get there. I'm just gonna take it one step at a time to get everything that I want. So let me show you what I have in here. But I'm still trying to get everything together. Like I'm still trying to mix and match but yeah, I've got this table here. I got this table at Mr. Price Home. The reason why I bought it, I felt like it's going to match with the aesthetic that I want. I've been looking for a white table, but the ones that I saw, they're very expensive, very expensive. So this is the table that I got at Mr. Price Home, and I also got that what is it, a nail organizer, nail shelf. Yeah, I bought it at Bling Jar. Yeah, and that trolley there, right there next to the colors, I got it at some China shop. Yeah, and right there I've got a mirror, and that shelf I got it at some China shop, same as that trolley, the black trolley. And here I've got this nice let me do this. I've got this nice table. I bought it at Pep Home. I bought it at Pep Home, and I bought those candles at Mr. Price Home.
My body, come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn.
Hey guys, so there's a massage bed over there. La kgona bona hore ne ke reng ka pink. I don't have a problem with pink. I love pink, but I don't think it's gonna work here, ne? And I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna buy a black cover for the bed and a black fleece as well. The clients are discover like a payful, ne? And there's also a pink trolley there. I get on, but yeah, more my lash things. I'm just gonna organize it nicely, right? And yeah, guys, that's my space. I still need to buy a lot of things, and I need to buy just nice decor for the walls. And yeah, guys, Rome was not built in a day, so I still need to get a lot of things, but yeah, one day at a time, and we will be fine, guys.
I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's
Hey guys, happy Sunday. I hope you guys are great and you had a beautiful Sunday. I just finished doing my makeup, and listen. So I was telling my husband now, I did this makeup just to remind you, we need it cheap. So yeah, guys, just felt like doing my makeup, and I also wanted to post some makeup pictures on Instagram, because my Instagram is dead. Like my Instagram is really. So I'm not gonna close off this vlog now because I don't think you guys have seen me enough. So I'm not gonna close it off now. I'm gonna close it off maybe later. Let me go and take some pictures, and I will come back later to close off this vlog. Ne? So on my previous vlog, there's a lady who asked lipstick efeng or gloss efeng, but I can't find it now. I don't know where I put it. It's probably in one of my handbags. But what I'll do, I'll search it on the internet for you and just put it on the screen for you. And then now I use the David Beauty lipstick palette. It's David Beauty Cosmetics on Instagram. I used the lip palette and I just applied lip therapy on, because I don't like matte lipsticks. Now I'm a lip gloss girl. I don't like matte lipsticks. That's not for me. Apply a lipstick, I'm still gonna put a gloss over. So yeah, let me go take pictures, guys, before light wrong. Then I'll come back and close off this. I know I said I was gonna come back yesterday to close off this vlog, but guys, so now I'm at McDonald's. I just want to get something to eat. then I'm gonna go straight to work. I just hope you guys are great, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video with your loved ones. Gobe monate, gobe lovely. See you on my next one. Bye.
I know you feel the same, so come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to